If you're seeing Google Chrome error and website refuse to load, there are several simple fixes you can try. Start by going to your desktop, right-clicking on the Google Chrome shortcut and selecting Open File Location. In the folder that opens, double-click the application folder, then right-click on the chrome.exe and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, enable Run this program in compatibility mode, select Windows 8 from the list, then click Apply and OK. After this, reopen Chrome and check if the error is resolved. If the problem continues, open Chrome, click on three dots, select the option Settings. Now head over to the option About Chrome. Make sure you are using the latest version of Chrome. Then click on Extension. Remove any suspicious extension. Likewise, head over to the option Privacy and Security. Click on the option Delete Browsing Data. Check in for the option All Time. Select these options and click on Delete Data. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is enable incognito mode. For that, click on three dots and select the option incognito mode. Now from here, try accessing the website. Lastly, what you want to do is go to settings again, click on reset settings, click on this option reset settings to the default one, click on reset and confirm it, and that's it. With the solution, you will be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.